I'm a product designer for Inovus, and a lot of the design work that I do is on the soft tissue side of things, using a lot of different techniques, 3D modelling software, digital sculpting, that will then go and make production moulds and get those out into the hands of surgeons to train on. My background is in special effects for film and TV. Moving on to a medical setting now is really interesting. Taking those skills that I've learned to make things that actually help people is awesome. I like the kind of diverse nature of all the different products that we make. We never make the same body part more than once. You know, if we need a bowel one day, it might be to do an inflation on it. The next might be an anastomosis. We are definitely leading a lot of technology advancements and utilising technology that hasn't been used in the industry before. A lot of the tech that we use is used in, say, dentistry, for film and TV, but bringing that into the simulated laparoscopic training environment gives you that next level approach that a lot of other companies, they don't even know exists. It's a very creative culture. Obviously, being designers, we must be quite creative. So to have the ideas bouncing off each other, but then that going down to the production team as well, getting them involved in the creativity is really fun. And I think everyone really enjoys getting stuck in. There's a lot of teamwork that goes on. We can't just go on Google and find out the answer. We've got to actually problem solve and prototype it through, work out new technology that just isn't there at the moment, and to have that talent within one team is really good. It's really rewarding to know that your work is actually going to help people and they get better as a result of the things that you've made.